After having introduced, in the previous video, the initiatory journey of the soul consciousness, from Adam to Jesus Christ, let us now move on to a preparatory stage, the discovery of the sacred correspondences of the cosmic man.
Man is more than a being of flesh and blood. He is a mystery, a bridge between the visible and the invisible. The Bible reveals him to us as the image of God. Ancient Egypt, too, has transmitted reflections of them through its symbols. Two wisdoms, two languages, but the same truth. Man is the mirror of creation. Let's discover together the cosmic man and his sacred correspondences from the top to the bottom of the scale of evolution. According to the Bible, and in accordance with ancient Egypt, God is the unmanifested, the self-generated, the Father and the Mother, the eternal, the source and the matrix of creation. His Egyptian counterpart is Atum, in his primary dimension of he and she. The Spirit of God is the Holy Spirit, the divine light. Its Egyptian equivalent is Ra, the Sahu, the glorious body of Atum. In the regenerated cosmic man, he becomes the Akh, the glorified spirit, the shining star. The soul consciousness of God is the breath of life, the Word, the only Son, the cosmic man. His original avatar is the androgynous entity, a union of Adam and Eve, symbolizing the spiritual dimension and the natural dimension of creation. Its occult structure unfolds into 10 cosmic thought forms, embodied by the patriarchs who make up the sacred lineage, from Adam to Noah. Its ultimate avatar is Jesus, the last Adam. In ancient Egypt, it is associated with the Ba of Atum. Its original avatar is the androgynous entity, a union of Shu, the deity of the air, and Tefnut Mat. Its final avatar is Horus the child. The synthetic mental body of God, a subdivision of the soul, is personified by Shem, son of Noah. Its motto is, I synthesize. This mental body unfolds into several dimensions. The conscious, embodied by Abraham, the spiritual heart of God, an emanation of the Holy Spirit. It symbolizes the Sunday. His Egyptian counterpart is Horus the Elder, the heart of Atum, an emanation of Ra. The superconscious is embodied by Nahor, son of Terah and brother of Abraham. The unconscious is embodied by Haran, son of Terah and brother of Abraham. The subconscious is embodied by Lot, son of Haran and nephew of Abraham. His Egyptian counterpart is Thoth. He symbolizes the moon. The analytical mental body of God is personified by Japheth, son of Noah and brother of Shem and Ham. His motto is, I analyze. The astral body of God is personified by Ham, son of Noah and brother of Japheth and Shem. His motto is, I invoke. Its Egyptian equivalent is the Kaibit, the shadow attached to the physical body. The ethereal body of God is embodied by Canaan, son of Ham and grandson of Noah. His Egyptian equivalent is the Ka. At the bottom of the ladder of correspondences is the physical body of God, personified by Mitzrayim, or biblical Egypt, son of Ham, brother of Canaan, and grandson of Noah. It symbolizes the visible universe. Its Egyptian equivalent is the Jet, the physical body. Thus is accomplished the descent from the Spirit of God to matter, from the invisible to the visible, a path that reveals the deep unity between Egyptian and biblical traditions.
These sacred correspondences serve as a preparation. They pave the way for dialogue between the seeker and the spiritual master, where the major biblical themes will be explored in depth in the light of the divine revelation conveyed through the scriptures.